You have come to know that a new organization, Young Volunteers, engage school-going students as apprentices for office work. Write a letter expressing your interest to work with them. Tell them the dates and time you are free to work. তুমি জানতে পেরেছো যে ইয়াং ভলান্টিয়ার্স নামে একটি সংগঠন বিদ্যালয় পড়ুয়া শিক্ষার্থীদের অফিসের কাজের জন্য শিক্ষানবিশ হিসেবে নিযুক্ত করছে। তাদের সাথে কাজ করার আগ্রহ প্রকাশ করে একটি চিঠি লেখো। কাজের জন্য উপযুক্ত দিন ও সময় চিঠিতে উল্লেখ করো। আনস 23 জানুয়ারি 2025। ম্যানেজার Young Volunteers, College Road, Rangamati. Subject: Application for volunteering job. Dear Sir, I am a grade 6 student of Uddipon School, Rangamati. I have come to know from some senior students that your organization is working with school-going students. Recently, son of my classmate worked as volunteers in a cleaning campaign. I am also interested in his campaign. I can work as a volunteer on my weekends. This is our town and we should keep it clean. I would really appreciate if you please enlist me as a volunteer for your cleaning campaign and contact me when needed. With best regards. Sagarika Tachinka, Master Colony, Rangamati. Contact number of the Guardian 0199111111.